Alright, so today is May 19th. This is my friend Hemali. My name is Jym Cole. This was week 3 of our East Coast Swing silver level. We talked a little bit about the different elements that kind of make it more silver. So what did we do? We talked about the continuous chasse, okay? So normally when we do our basic, we just do one and then we change direction and we go back the other direction. With the continuous chasse, we're going to continue to go. So we have 1, 2, quick, getting quick, getting quick, getting quick, quick, getting quick, getting quick, getting quick. Okay? It's a little weird, but later on we're going to see patterns where we're going to be using this continuous chasse action. Chasse action. Okay. And then we got a pushing action, which kind of breaks up a little bit of the monotony of chasses and rock steps by going into a two-hand hold, bringing our knees together, and then pushing off. And those are done on the quick, quick. So we have quick, quick. And then what did we do? We did the total swirls, no skin. We did the 4 walks with the points and flicks. Thank you. So if we were getting into this basic position, we could do 4 walks back. 1, 2, 3, 4. We talked about compressing in for your points and then doing our flick, and then back rock. We talked a little bit about using those flick actions instead of a chasse, and that allows us to actually go faster and stay up with the music. So if we were doing our basic using those flick actions, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Back rock. And then, was it the sliding doors? And so we did the sliding doors for the change of place action. And what we did is we had the lady do a turn, and the leader as well will do a turn. So we go back into our basic, to a throw-out position, to a side-by-side. We do side rock. She does a side rock. From her side rock, she's going to do a triple step. 1, 2, triple step. I do my side rock, triple step. Back, triple. Right, good. Ready? No, come on. There we go. So 1, 2, triple step, back, and triple